Hi everybody and welcome to pronunciation workshop for everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to pronounce this type of fragrance. This type of fragrance is pronounced eau-de-cologne, eau-de-cologne, eau-de-cologne. Examples. Yesterday, I bought a bottle of eau-de-cologne for my wife. There was a sweet smell of eau-de-cologne in the room. Homework. Make a sentence with the word eau-de-cologne and write it in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!